simultaneous 2-to-1 case merge with LBP transitions by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built the stainless steel constructed tabletop and plastic belt conveyor system designed to transport cases from the discharge of 2 separate case packers, then to a spiral incline, and onto a merge conveyor that feeds either a palletizer or a decline spiral as the customer chooses. Cases from either line are transported through a 90-degree or 2 45-degree curves depending on the line in motion. Making sure the elongated boxes maneuver smoothly through the 45 and 90-degree curves required precision guide rail positioning. The rails then gently direct the packaging through the merge, also requiring pinpoint precision to ensure the product travel was free of interruption. For this particular project, the customer will not be running each line simultaneously. However, for demonstration purposes, we ran both lines so you can see how easily the merge facilitates both lines when the speeds and product dimensions are timed properly. The merge itself required LBP or low back pressure transitions that provide forward moving to and from each section. The merge itself is made up of 3 chains. After the merge, the case is transferred to the output conveyor that moves the boxes through another 90-degree curve and along the mezzanine to a 3-lane conveyor that includes a manual 2-position gate. This line is designed to run from 60 to 150 feet per minute or any line speed in between. Watch even more videos and learn how Multi-Conveyor can merge, combine, index, divert, or sort your products, perhaps even using a system just like this. Visit our website at www.multi-conveyor.com or look us up on YouTube. Then call us 1-800-236-7960. We will get your products moving in the right direction. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.